Now let's talk about what was the Boolean search. So the Boolean search just uses and or operator between the queries. You can enter diabetes or lung cancer. So the results will have the diabetes codes. Oh, it's or. So for or, yeah, you will get the results for like one of them. So it can either give the diabetic result or the lung cancer result. So you need to choose the operator according to your use case. Right now, this only gives us top 20, but in the API, you can get as many as you want. For example, if we have here the diabetes and the lung cancer, it will give the results regarding the lung, diabetes. If you see here, it has lungs or diabetes results in the output at risk of diabetes, lung cancer. So this is one more feature, which is the Boolean search.